How to fix volume shadow copy service not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The volume shadow copy service needs to be running for various backup processes to work correctly. If it's disabled or not set to start automatically, you might encounter errors. Setting it to automatic ensures it starts every time you boot up your PC. Restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Disk errors can interfere with the volume shadow copy service's operations. Running a disk check can detect and automatically correct file system errors and bad sectors, ensuring that the service functions smoothly. Close down command prompt and restart your system. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the event viewer. If that didn't work, sometimes, simply restarting the service can resolve any issues it might be facing.